my Belif VDL Aqua Balm glow water. That's where you're already seeing that glow from. So it's also got a primer in it. So it's kind of a 2-in-1, moisturizer and primer. So we are ready to go. So let's hop right in. We're going to do our Cashmere Complexion Liquid Foundation today in shade Buttercream. Buttercream. And I'm just going to take it. Has this cool little doe foot thing. And you can apply it directly to your face, especially if you're starting with a blank, clean canvas. But I prefer to put it on my hand. And then pick it up with my little beauty blender. And apply. That's simple. So I went last night to a session with a food coach. Have you ever heard of a food coach? I'm all coached now about foods. But anyway, we learned about the foods that we eat and how they affect our body. And surprisingly, the number one thing that she shared was we should be drinking 100 ounces of water per day. Because if you feel like your skin is dehydrated, maybe you're feeling just kind of blah and your skin is dull, chances are you're probably not taking in the amount of water that you need to. And I thought that was pretty surprising. I didn't think about how it affected our skin. So that was a new one for me. I mean, I know that it affects, the way that your body cleans out and things like that. But here's the first tip. Be sure that within the first hour of your morning, you drink a full 8 ounces of water to kickstart your organs and to get them flushed out and cleaned out for the day. So I was like, okay, I can do this. This is good. It's crazy. Cashmere Complexion. This is matcha. We're going to use this as our concealer. And going to conceal under those eyes, those dark spots, those dark bags. I put a little bit on top of my eyes too. Anyway, it was crazy to me. She said that, our body stores toxins overnight while we're sleeping. And so if we start off with that glass of water in the mornings, it will help cleanse our system and flush those toxins out, which is great for your skin. And I was like, okay, I got this. I can do the water. The next thing she talked about is sugar, processed sugar, like in pre-processed packages of food that you may buy, like macaroni and cheese, or I am a huge fan of the Crystal Light drink packets. We're going to do Tattoo Station in shade brown and go ahead and do our brows. But I'm a huge fan of those Crystal Light packages, and I thought, oh, well, I'm still getting my water in. It's doing all the good. But here's the truth. Those little things are loaded with toxins, which your body stores up. And I was like, great. Now I'm never going to be able to drink my water. But so if you're trying to get your 100 ounces of water in a day, some tips she shared is put things like cucumbers in your water. If you need some flavoring, put some cucumber in your water at night and let it sit in the icebox overnight, because cucumbers actually are good for helping flush toxins out of your body. I was like, okay, I can do this. Or lemons. Just don't squeeze the lemon. Just put the lemon in there and let the water absorb it, because lemon's full of sugar. I was like, all the things I love. You're telling me all the things I love are bad for me. Magix dust. We're going to use that. So the next thing you can do for your body is to try to cut out as many processed, I'm looking for my brush, processed foods as you can. Hot dogs, macaroni and cheese, hamburger helper, as many of those boxed type foods as you can. Cut those out, because good morning, Angelica. I can't talk this morning. We're talking about foods that are good for your body. So share with me in the comments any foods that you eat that are good for your body that you think. Okay, so we're going to add in the 100 ounces of water. Already the magic is being done. I love Cashmere Complexion. Okay, we're going to do our Mono Pops shade. I think we're going to do browns today. Yay! Let's pick up this shade and this shade. Yeah, we'll do those top two and start on that crease. So once you're cutting the sugar out and you're flushing your system with the amount of water that you should, then that's going to help your body to kind of get that kickstart that it needs to start cleansing out. Then you want to add in the good foods. So here is the thing. If y'all missed it at the first, I went to a food coach yesterday, trying to get healthier. And so I got to ask her some questions about our skin and things that we can do to help clear up our skin. So I'm just working that crease there. Y'all can see that. Okay, I'm gonna pick up now this gold color and a little bit of this darker. I might even pick a little of that rust up. I'm gonna work that down here. There we go. It's a beautiful blend. Okay, so then you want to start adding in the healthy things. First thing in the morning, you need to start your day off with 30 grams of protein. This is interesting to me. 30 grams of protein. So that's like 3 eggs, maybe unsalted nuts, turkey sausage, turkey bacon, no pork. Pork is a dirty meat and it clogs up your system and your stomach and it keeps your body from processing food like it should. Like, I love bacon. I love bacon. Do I have any bacon lovers with this morning? I was like, So I'm going to try turkey bacon. I'll let you guys know how that goes. Okay, we're going to pick up this shade and this shade right here. And we're going to pull that in the middle and then pull it out here just on the top. So 30 grams of protein within an hour of starting your day. So 3 eggs, you can do them hard boiled, you can do them scrambled, however you want. Maybe an avocado, some eggs and some avocado. No bread. Bread is pre-processed, loaded with sugar, and not good for your system. I'm gonna let you guys look at the eye look. What is your thoughts? So I've got this list of things I can have, and I'm like, oh, I am the least healthy eater you will ever meet. That's just not my jam. Okay, we're gonna do SuperExtend liquid liner. Y'all ready? But I know that my skin needs it. Who is with me that during quarantine you've put on the quarantine 15 or the quarantine 30? I'm like, my clothes aren't fitting anymore. I'm wearing yoga pants all the time. And it's not because I'm doing yoga. So, you know, trying to do it's hard to line those eyes and talk. So trying to eat good foods while you are still kind of in quarantine is not easy, but being cautious about the foods that you put in your body. If you're seeing lots of breakouts or if you're seeing lots of like dark spots on your skin, acne on your skin, it's probably because the things that you are putting in your body are not nourishing your body. They're just filling your stomach up with crap. So I was like, oh, okay. So good things, we're going to do Love Waterproof Mascara this morning. Good fruits, like grapefruit is a good thing to start your morning with. Granny Smith apples, Red Delicious apples, doing some good fruit like that. The other thing that she recommended, which was kind of alarming to me because I've been doing intermittent fasting, is you need to eat breakfast, a snack, lunch, a snack, and dinner, because you need to keep feeding your body on a consistent basis so it doesn't think it needs to go into starvation mode and start storing your fat. The other thing that will happen whenever we're eating a lot of pre-processed foods is it's going to come out somewhere. So if your gut isn't processing it, it's going to come out in your skin. And I was like, oh Lord, that explains the recent breakouts of acne. I stress eat junk, and when I do that, then the acne is coming out. So if you think you're stress eating and you can't figure out why your skin is breaking out, there's a correlation, FYI. Okay, those lashes are done, baby. Yes. All right, let's pick up some Queen Carnation blush for these cheeks and give them a little bit of a little pinkish glow on top of our glow. So you guys are going to be with me on the food journey. Who's going to join me on this? I have to do this to be healthy. My body is telling me if you don't do something, it's going to revolt. My stress level is 900, and my I just shut down. Like by the mid-afternoon, I'm like, I'm done with the day. This is, oh, I should have told you, I'm using the Love highlighter, just giving ourselves a little added glow. So if you feel like your body is shutting down and you're stress eating all the time, it has to be that conscious decision that you're going to do something different for your skin and for your body. And whenever you begin to do that, she says the first week is going to be like hell week. Like by tomorrow, y'all may be like, girl, what's wrong with you? Because you're cutting all that sugar out. Birthday Balm, and we're going to use Surprise. It's my favorite color. But within a week of cleaning those things out of your diet, you should see a difference in your complexion, a difference in your skin, a difference in your body, a difference in your energy level, because you're flushing things out by adding that 100 ounces of water in the morning, and you're flushing those toxins and things out of your body, and then you're not putting them in your body anymore. And you're going to kind of see a flush of your system, which is probably going to affect my mood. So good thing it's Wednesday, so you won't have to deal with me when I get to day like 5 on Saturday or Sunday. So anyway, I hope that these tips were helpful for you. If you would like some more tips on foods that bless your body, drop me a comment. I've been researching. I can share some of those links with you. Also, share this video. Somebody else may find these tips helpful or may want some different makeup tips for their self. You can pick up these products and shop with me on your avon.com/jwoolsey. And I hope that you have a great day and that you drink 100 ounces of water. Let's start with that. Let's get our water in. And we'll see you guys later. Bye.